Pinkle winkle, tinky winky, pinkle winkle, tinky winky, pinkle winkle. Oh! What's that? Looks like a piece of paper. It's just sitting here. Huh. Let me just see this. Huh. There's nothing on it. It's just blank. What should I do with this piece of paper? Well, I can just wave it around in the wind, like this. Yeah, I could do that. Wait, I'm not moving my arm. Well, wait, what is this? Wait, what? Wait, what? It's not windy. Is this piece of paper magic? It's magic paper! Whoa! It's just floating there by itself! Wow! Whoa! Did you see that? It just crumpled up into a ball, all by itself! Wow! Huh! Amazing! Oh, Dipsy!
Oh, Tinky Winky! Ah! Hey, what's that you got there?
Oh, it's paper! It crumpled up into a ball all by itself!
Wait, what? Are you sure you didn't do that?
No! This piece of paper is magic!
Magic? Ha! Well, that's just typical. I'm pretty sure you crumpled it up. Now, come on, pass it to me.
Okay then, Dipsy. Ugh.
Oh, I got it. Ah. All right, now I'm going to throw it back to you. Wait, what?
See, I told you, Dipsy.
Wait, it's floating by itself. How is it doing that?
It's magic, Dipsy. It's a magic piece of paper.
What?
Hey, it uncrumbled.
Oh, it's crumbling back up and... Whoa! What did it turn into?
It looks like some sort of hat.
Hat? Oh, I love hats. I want to try this on. All right, let me just put this on. All right. How do I look?
Well, it's definitely a hat, Dipsy, but it looks too small on you.
Oh, yeah, it kind of does. It's just sitting on top of my antenna. If only it was bigger. Whoa, what happened? Who turned off the lights?
Whoa! The piece of paper can change size too? That's amazing!
What's going on?
The paper hat changed size, Dipsy.
Oh, it's so it did. But now this paper hat is too big for me.
Well, if it can turn bigger, I'm sure it could turn smaller.
Yeah, it can. I need something smaller. What? This is the same hat that I had before. It's too small.
Maybe it should be bigger, but not too big.
Yeah.
Like that!
Ha-ha! Perfect! Ha-ha-ha-ha! Paper hat! Paper hat! Paper hat! Yeah! Ha-ha! I love this paper hat!
It's not just a paper hat, Dipsy. It's magic paper.
Oh, yeah! Magic paper. Right.
Tinky Winky. Dipsy.
Po.
Po.
Ooh, I like that paper hat, Dipsy.
Oh, it's not just a paper hat. It's magic paper.
Magic paper?
Yeah. Right now it's a paper hat, but it can turn into all sorts of stuff.
Yeah, I'll show you. Let me just take this off. All right. Watch this, Po.
What'd you do that for?
You'll see. Watch this. Huh?
Whoa! It's floating! How's it doing that?
It's magic paper, Po.
Wow, that's amazing!
Oh, watch this, watch this.
Wow! Look at it! Oh!
Oh! What's it turned into now?
It looks like a doll! Oh, it's so cute!
Yeah, it's really lovely, Po.
Yeah. Let's see it turn into something else.
Okay, Dipsy. You just crumple it up, right?
Yeah.
So how'd you make it float?
You just throw it.
Okay. Oh, I wonder what it's going to do now.
Let's see.
Oh, what did it turn into now?
It looks like a plane.
Oh, I heard of one of these. It's a paper airplane. You throw it up in the air and it flies like an actual one.
Really? Let me try. All right. Pilot to co-pilot. Prepare for takeoff. Look!
Oh, it's going.
Follow that plane.
Ah!
What to do today? What? Whoa! What was that?
After it.
Wait for me! Hey! Where are you all going?
We're trying to catch a plane. It's paper. Magic paper. Come on.
Oh, okay.
Perfect landing.
Wow, that was awesome.
Yeah. Oh, so that's the paper airplane you were following?
Well, it's not just a paper airplane. It's magic paper.
Really? Magic paper?
Yeah, it can turn into all sorts of stuff.
Yeah. It turned into a paper hat for Dipsy and a paper doll. Oh, interesting.
Yeah, I like this magic paper.
Yeah, it's cool. Hey, you know, I wish this paper airplane was bigger. That way, we could all go for a ride in it. Well, why am I not surprised? It is magic paper.
Wow! Oh, can we all go for a ride it now?
I'm sure we can. Come on, let's hop in.
Oh, boy!
Pilot to co-pilot. We have liftoff. Here we go.
Yahoo!
Wow! This is totally awesome!
Whoa, this is so amazing! Whee!
Oh boy!
Whoa! Yahoo!
This is Pilot Tinky Winky. We're coming in for a landing. And perfect landing.
Wow! That was so much fun!
Yeah, that was awesome!
Yeah, I loved it!
Yeah, that sure was fun.
Oh, That was so much fun! Yeah! I can't believe we just rode in a paper airplane.
Yeah, that was awesome.
Yeah, it sure was. I love this magic piece of paper.
Yeah, paper's great. Yeah, it might be plain and boring in general, but there's a lot of fun stuff you can do with paper.
Yeah.
Whoa. Hey, what's going on? This paper's at it again. Well,
Hey, where's that paper going?
Whoa! It just crumpled out of existence.
it disappeared.
Oh, darn. Wow, that was really something, wasn't it?
Yeah, just with some piece of paper.
Yeah, it was magic piece of paper.
Yeah, this sure was fun.
Yeah, it was.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, you said it.
Uh-oh, let's go.